Let's spell. Short vowel O. Spell dog. D-O-G. D-O-G. Dog. The dog barks at the cat. Dog. Spell hog. H-O-G. H-O-G. Hog. John lost his hog. Spell fog. F-O-G. F-O-G. Fog. The fog is dim. Spell hop. H-O-P. H-O-P. Hop. The rabbits hop over the rock. Hop. Spell cop. C-O-P. C-O-P. Cop. He is a cop. Cop. Spell top. T-O-P. T-O-P. Top. The boy plays a top. Top. Spell log. L-O-G. L-O-G. Log. The man caught a log. Log. Spell mop. M-O-P. M-O-P. Mop. The man used a mop. Mop. Spell pot. P-O-T. P-O-T. Pot. I put soil on a pot. Pot. Spell hot. H-O-T. H-O-T. Hot. The fire is hot. Hot. Spell dot. D-O-T. D-O-T. Dot. Can you see a dot? Dot. Spell box. B-O-X. B-O-X. Box. I put my things in the box. Box. Spell fox. F-O-X. F-O-X. Fox. I saw a fox. Fox. Spell mom. M-O-M. M-O-M. Mom. Mom takes care of her baby. Mom. You are awesome!